We were studying abroad in St. Petersburg in Florida, and today we were curious as to why there are so many different kinds of animals there. So we investigated about animals there, and now we will describe animals and their habits.
The first one is squirrels. Many squirrels are in Florida and they are often on the tree. They eat nuts and bird food, which placed by humans, and wild squirrels will quickly move away from people. But squirrels in the city are accustomed to people.
The next one is birds. These are white ibises. Ibises are called toki in Japan. They are in everywhere in Florida, even be found at Disney World. They are treated like a pigeon in Japan. This is night heron. Japanese name is goisagi. It is hard to see that in Japan, but we can see them in Florida easily. This is osprey. Japanese call it misago. They live near at waterside.
The last one is alligators. In Florida, there are many alligators in the lake and pond. This alligator was in Sawgrass Lake Park. This one is small, but the local person showed us photos and said there are even bigger alligators in this park.
In conclusion, we saw that there are many kinds of animals and animals habit in St. Petersburg in Florida, and through this investigation, we learned that the reason there are so many animals in Florida is because hot and humid climate is sustainable for many kinds of animals.